In this lesson, we will be creating image controller, which can change image fill amount and also image fade. So let's create new C# script. Let's call it controller image. Let's open it. Let's inherit our controller abstract class. Also, don't forget to implement it. Let's clean the file. First, let's create public enum anim image type with a fill image option and image fade option. Inside controller image class, let's create public anim image type anim type and public image variable my image, but don't forget to use namespace unityengine.ui. Let's create public void setImageFill method with a float parameter called myFloat. And inside, let's write myImage.fillAmount equals myFloat. Next, let's create public void setImageFade method with a float parameter called myFloat. Inside, first, let's define color. New color equals myImage.color. Then new color.a stands for alpha equals myFloat. And myImage.color equals new color. Now let's implement our overridden method setValuesFromCurve. So let's create switch with the anim type parameter. For fill image case, let's write setImageFill with the curve result as parameter. For image fade case, let's write setImageFade with also curve result as parameter. Let's clean the switch statement. Change the colors. Save the file and let's test it. First, let's select all our 3 stars game object and let's turn off the auto start. Select starbg game object and make it active again. Select driver tester, which is driving our star, and remove old controller transform component. Instead of it, let's create new image controller and let's drag and drop star image into the myImage variable. Press play. Test play and stop buttons, and we can see fill image works how it should. Let's stop the editor. Change the animation type for image fade. Press play. Test playback buttons. And we see fading also works as well. So that's everything for this lesson. We finished our image controller. So thank you and see you in the next lesson.